What's going on, guys? Today, what I want to talk about is how to choose a color palette for whatever you're designing, whether it be a logo, UI design, website, whatever it is. And for me, um, starting and choosing colors, once I get past the wireframing and sketching and thumbnailing and everything, you have to do a lot of research on what colors you want to use because colors greatly affect the user and how they're going to react with your design and also what kind of message your design is going to convey. Because if you look at green color logos, they're all, Animal Planet. They deal with life, nature, you know, um, usually it deals with live nature. I mean, you see Starbucks here and you see Subway, but you have Edison, which is a electrical company, and you have anything that's green and environmental, and then you can also go ahead and what you can do is you can look up, for example, this is orange, so you can look up how color affects people, and there's blogs where people talk about how color will affect. So how color affect impacts emotions and behaviors. You can click on this, and this is 99 Designs blog, and this is a blog I come to a decent amount and uh, find really good blog posts here, and it really helps you figure out exactly what colors you should be using based on what you want to get out of your designs. Another great place to go for choosing colors is Google. Anything design, Google is your best friend. I use Google nonstop. It's a great inspiration source, and it's a great place to find out what colors work well together and kind of get a feeling for other designers and how they use color. So this caught my eye right away, and I was like, whoa, like this is super cool. Kind of has that like iOS 7 feeling going on, and they have all these different colors in here. They have this really vibrant like blue here, and then they have this like kind of unsaturated blue down here, and then even more like unsaturated blue over here. Um, but they have this offer piece right here, and this seems like it's the most important section, because it's that bright yellow, it pops out. It's so different from the other colors. So you can highlight areas of your design that you want people to see first by using those bright popular colors, um, and that'll make your design pop out the certain parts that you want to make them pop out. So there's all these like little features that with color that you can really experiment with, and then you can also come back and you can look at this. And I mean, you could be working on something that's totally different from what this is. This looks like it's some sort of a social network kind of thing with login and then like handicapped people, missing pets kind of thing. Whatever this is, I have no idea. But what you can do is you can just, if you're on a Mac, you can Command Shift 4 and then screenshot this thing, or you can just pull it off Google and then bring it into whatever your program you're working on and use your eyedrop tool and just, you know, play with the colors in your design and just figure out like where you want to put certain colors. What, maybe you want to make your button like this red, like a button that takes you to a conversion. You make this button that like pops out. Maybe you want to make your background like this color right here, this gray, um, and you kind of get a feeling for what you wanna accomplish. And um, this is a great tool to use and to be able to find out the colors you want. Another great place is Dribbble. Dribbble is like the design inspiration area. This is like the place to go. This is where, I mean, I come here at least once a day, and it's like kind of that social network. You follow people, blah blah blah, but you can find amazing work on here. Just amazing work. It's incredible what people can do, and it inspires me every day. And it's just one of those things where it's like you can always improve. Um, so yeah, you can just come in here and kind of the same thing as Google Images. You can just, if you see something you like this looks cool right here. You see something you like, and it has these greens and this black in here, and you can, look at the real pixels. Bring this up, and you can just take this whole thing, and you could not even be like making a website. You could be making like a brochure or something. Um, that looks totally different from this. Has nothing to do with the ocean or whatever this is, or cameras. It looks like has nothing to do with anything this extreme. But you could use this color palette, and it's really helpful. And then no one would know that you're using this color palette. No one. And it's a great, like, I wouldn't say like a cheat way to do it, but it really helps you. It helps you get better at using colors and knowing what colors work well together. And eventually, if you do it long enough, you'll be able to just know exactly, like, or get really close to what colors you want without even having to go look at things. um, and then of course, next great place, once you get all your colors together, you can kind of use what Adobe has is called Cooler, or Color, but they spell it Kuler, and it's kuler.adobe.com. You can come here. I'm sure you guys have heard this before. It's really popular. You can have a color rule, which you could have your analogous colors, your monochromatic kind of thing. Um, and if you want an app that kind of has this flow of different pigments of red kind of thing, you can do this. You can come in here and you can click this color, and it will give you the exact hexadecimal number for you, or you can just take the RGB values. And it's really great. You can come in here, you can do this, and it'll change where on the color palette you want to go. So if you want these greens, and you want to make this green darker, or you want to make it, give it some more blue and all the whole thing. This is just for the color you're working on. The rest of these is for the whole. These three are for the whole palette here. And then what you can do is you can just screenshot that when you're done, pull it into Fireworks, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever you're working on, and then just eyedropper tool to the colors and just play around with it. And if you do it a lot, it's really fun, because you really get the feeling of how color will impact your design, and how it will pop off the page and really make it look really nice. So if you're having trouble with color, try doing these kind of things. Research, go to blog sites, figure out like exactly what colors you would want. Um, Go to Google Images, look up what other people are using with their color palettes on their designs. Dribbble, go to Dribbble, it's a huge help. And then last but not least is Koler, once you have like a general idea of what you want. Um, I mean, you could just use one of these and it'll help you out a lot. If you use all of them, it's just like craziness. The resources we have to find color, it's wonderful. I haven't been, or when I first started designing, I wasn't a great person with color, and I keep getting better and better just looking at all these resources and learning how to use all these and apply them to my designs. Anyway, I hope this helped you out if you're having trouble with color. If you have any questions, send me an email. My website is gsandersongraphics.com. Totally check me out. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. And I'm going to be starting an Instagram as well. So follow me there. The Twitter is GSG_designs. And the Facebook is G Sanderson Graphics. Facebook/G Sanderson Graphics. You can find that on the YouTube page. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. This is only my third video. Definitely looking for some people to check me out. So I hope this helps, guys. Alright, take it easy. Bye-bye.